Perform set difference on roads in Spark Python. I have two Spark roads. A has 301,500,000 rows, A and B has 1,500,000 rows. Those 1.5 million rows in B all appear in A as well. I would like the set difference between those two roads, such that I return A with 300 million rows, with those 1,500,000 rows from B no longer present in A. I cannot use Spark data frames. Here is the system I am using right now. These roads have primary keys. What I do below is create a collected list of those primary keys that appear in B, then iterate through the primary keys of A to find those which do not appear in the list of B primary keys. Now, this works in this sample problem because A and B are tiny. However, this is unsuccessful when I use my true datasets A and B. Is there a better, more parallel way to implement this?
This seems like something you can solve with a subtract by key. To change to a key value. Asterisk note that my Python is weak and there might be better ways to split the values.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.